Hello. I've made some curtains for you, and I made it for my son, and it's was pinch pleat curtains, and it's got a pelmet board going around it. Now at the moment I'm looking for that myself. I've got so much video, I've got to go through all 400 of them just to find that. Now last night I went through some questions, and a question was asked about that, and I answered it and said I will look for you. Now I have looked, and I believed I found the book that it's in, and it's this one, and it's this colour. I think it was that colour. And you wanted to know the name of it. So I'm going to put the details up for you. Let me see. Can you see that? But you're seeing it in reverse, I think. So I'm going to put the details up for you. But the thing is, if you want it, you can also buy the fabric from me. Now I don't know if this supplier, which I can't show you their name, sell it direct. That's why I'm not showing it to you, because I am basically the dealer of this book. So I'll put the name up for you and see what we can do for you. So I'm not trying not to answer your question. I'm answering it, and as I've done in the past, I've shown you the different colours it comes in. Okay? Thank you for watching.